I went through the land, I set the direction of our one band. I spent time believing that I was lost. When walking the path, it's what matters most. I've tried to become unconsciously aware of how arrogant is thinking that you reach somewhere. In the middle of the journey, I hear a wise man say, the one who is searching the way is already on the way. I worked for the future in my darkest night, and only in the present I could find the light. Embrace every town from east to west. The meaning of life is only in the quest. Someday I'll become unconsciously aware of how arrogant is thinking that you reach somewhere. I keep looking for the path that gives joy to my day. The one who is searching the way is already on the way. The one who is searching the way is already on the way.